Hello, my name is Monster and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This channel, right? I made this channel just to review exercise equipment that you may like. Like if you try to build your home gym or anything like that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions that need to be answered, let's say you have a type of exercise equipment that you want me to do a review on, send me a message in the comment section and I will purchase it and I do my review on it. Okay, so if you have any if you're trying to build your personal home gym or anything like that, this is the channel that you want to subscribe to. Okay, well, anyway, with that being said, I would like for you guys to like and subscribe to my channel, right? Because I'm going to be talking a lot about the different type of exercise equipment that's coming out. They got many different type of exercise equipment that's coming out, and I want to do a review on it to see if you guys like it. Because as you know, times have changed and everybody's staying home and trying to build your home gym. People don't really go out at gym to work out anymore. So you're in the right place. So yeah, so I just do exercise review videos, even like your like electronic watches, any type of electronic that has to do with fitness. I do a review on those. Your bench, like I said, I'm sure you guys seen I've done many videos on the multifunction barbell rack, because this was one of the first well, the second equipment that I had. The first one was this one right here, but it didn't have the pegs. If you're watching this video, just go to my channel, and you have like a players list where I review all type of exercise equipment, I don't have a big funds, so the equipment here is what I have. Once my channel starts growing, I'm going to start purchasing bigger equipment, more expensive equipment. So this is a brand new channel, so just bear with me as I'm growing my channel. Okay. Like I said, this is a brand new channel, and I'm trying to grow this channel as much as I could. I want you guys just to bear with me as I do review and stuff like that. And if you guys have any questions, just send me a message in the comment section, and I'll answer it the best way I could. Right now, I only have 10 subscribers. I guess there's only 10 people that's watching my video right now. So, but I'm gonna be growing and doing a whole lot more. The last couple of months, I've not been doing so much video because I've been working X amount of hours at work. So when I come from work, I'm tired and I don't get a chance to like sit down and do any video. But from now on, this year, I want to keep doing more videos with me. So just bear with me. Well, this channel right here is all about fitness. It's all about building your home fitness, your home gym. That's what this channel is about. So if you have any questions or anything like that, just send me a message in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Remember, like and subscribe to my channel, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.